incredibly talented Human Nature are back.
And the ARIA Female Artist of the Year, the gorgeous Jessica Mauboy.
Christmas is a time that brings people together, and tonight we have a very special treat for you.
We are bringing Human Nature and Jessica Mauboy together for the very first time on television, so it really is a very special performance.
Performing Sleigh Ride and creating their very own slice of Carol's history, Human Nature and Jessica Mauboy.
We're snuggled up together like two birds of a feather would be.
Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two.
Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding in a wonderland of snow.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand.
So grand.
Just we're riding along with a song in this wintry wonderland.
We're riding along with a song of the wintry fairyland. Oh, hey!
Human Nature and Jessica Mauboy. Next up, Jimmy Barnes.